Hi, in front of me I have HAYLOU RT, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First we need to open the HAYLOU Fun app on our phone. In the app you should see the home screen. Now let's tap on this icon right here to open the list of devices. Then select our HAYLOU RT from the list. Now let's tap on the settings icon right here in the top right corner. And then tap on the unbind device button right here at the bottom. And finally tap on confirm to confirm and unpair our device. The watch will reset itself to the factory default settings, and after a few seconds the app should be done processing. And it should bring you to the home screen again, as you can see. And when you tap on this icon right here now, the device will be gone, and it's gonna be scanning for the new device. And that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.